Welcome to your first video of the very first tutorial of HTML. So HTML is the bedrock and backbone of web pages, meaning it is a major important aspect in web development because HTML is the only type of language which a browser understands. A browser, I mean any type of browser, whether Chrome, Firefox, or even your Microsoft Edge browser. So these are the three key concepts you need to know in HTML for now. Hypertext markup language is the full meaning of HTML. The full meaning of HTML is hypertext markup language. And also, HTML is a document that contains code. It's a document that contains code. Normally it's not a term like Java or JavaScript or any type of programming language. HTML is not a programming language, but rather a hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language simply means a type of language which a browser understands. And also here, web browsers read and display document that contains HTML. Anywhere you see a web page, the browser interprets any type of document into HTML so that it can display it as a web page. And the next thing to understand is this concept here. This, for example, this open bracket less than and greater than. This angle bracket contains tags. Tags here are some elements that we will be going to be using in HTML. In HTML development, here the body tag. These are the tags above, and here the body open tag here, the opening tag body and the closing tag here contains the markup element. The markup element here is this word sentence something inside here. This is the content of the site, and this is an element, and there is also an empty element, which is the like this one here br, which is the line break. It does not require a closing tag, but in HTML every type of this in any type of element needs a closing tag, but there are some few that does not require a closing tag. An example is the line break tag. So the next thing for you to understand is what are the required tools for us to start this coding tutorial. So the coding course, HTML course. So the first thing you need to know is that you need a web browser for number one, and the second one is the code editor. Code editor will mean any type of code editor, whether Notepad, whether normal Notepad on your PC, or Notepad++, VS Code, or anything. And so for now, we will be staying here. In the next video, we will be diving directly into the practical aspect of the HTML programming. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure you like and subscribe to the Inflow Links channel. Thank you and God bless you once again.